Hi everyone, Louise Marshall from RosterElf here. Today I'm going to show you how to add a past shift in RosterElf. Adding past shifts keeps your records accurate for payroll and compliance. How to access the roster view. Click Roster in the top menu to open the roster view so you can edit schedules. Choose the week that contains the shift date, making it easy to locate the correct day. How to add and publish a past shift. Click the Add button on the correct day to begin a new shift entry. Enter the shift details exactly as you would when scheduling in the future, so every field is captured. Tick mark as published and save to lock the shift into the roster. Remember that employees will not receive alerts for past shifts, which helps avoid confusion. Thanks for watching. If you ever need a hand, our support team is ready to help. Happy rostering!